Hello and welcome to Tech Trick Tutorials. So how do you establish colonies here on Roblox, especially if you're a noob and you don't know what to do. It establishes by itself, but some people, let's just put two simulants here, let them grow, establish their own city, tribe. So a lot of people when they start off in Roblox, they're sort of like confused on what to do. But this is how you establish a colony. Just make sure there's no grizzly bears around. Fast forward in time, you're now ramping up the civilization. And that's just basically what you have to do, is make sure the first two people survive and create their own civilization. This is fast forwarded, by the way. So eventually, here you go. You branched off a colony here. Now, colonies tend to revolt, so just make sure you have a good leader to aid all that. So I certainly hope that this video is of any help for you guys. Thank you so much for watching Tech Trick Tutorials. You guys have a nice day.